Hello everyone, welcome to part 106 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So in this video we are going to confirm the user account, and so that the user will able to log in into his account, and we will also send the welcome email to the user, like we used to send the earlier registered welcome email. So that email we are going to send to user now after the user able to activate his account. And in last video we have seen that user able to send the confirmation email, okay, confirm your e-commerce account. And now we need to work on this confirm account link and its function. Okay, so first of all we are going to create its route. Okay, so I can remove the unwanted files here. Confirmation blade file, login register, card, web. Okay, yeah, web is required. Okay, no issue, we can open once again web.php file, and now we are going to create the route for the confirming user account. Okay, so we can do it at last. Confirm user account. Okay, so see, in future videos we are going to make the auth group here, so we can we can prevent the routes from unauthorized access. Okay, so no issue, that we are going to do in future videos. Right now we can create the route here. Okay, so here we can add the route to confirm the user account, and that is confirm account. Okay, so we will use the get post both, because as we are going to use both with this route. Okay, so we are going to use the get post both for this route. Get post, and our route will be like confirm. Okay, confirm, and after that that code. Okay, code is that encoded code of email that we are using. Okay, so code will come up here, and we are going to add this function in users controller once again, and with the name confirm account, like this. Okay, so this is the confirm account function we are going to create in user controller. Sorry for that. Okay, so I am going to add here in users controller. Here I want to add, after registered user we can add up here public function confirm account. Okay, so in confirm account we will pass the user email like this. Okay, so whatever email we are going to send, we are going to decode now. Earlier we are making it base 64, we are using encode. Now we are going to use, instead of encode, we will use the decode function here, because we want to decode now, and we are going to decode the $email that send as an parameter in our route. Okay, so first of all we are going to check whether the email is able to decode correctly. Okay, so this is the first step that we need to check here, that the email is coming fine. If I will click on this one, you can see the email is coming fine, so this one is correct. So we able to decode our email correctly. After that we are going to check whether the email exists in our users table or not. So we are going to check the email. Okay, so the first step is to decode user email. Okay, and next step is to check whether the user email exists. User email exists. Okay, so this is the next step. Okay, so this step is $user count user where email is $email. Okay, we are going to check if the email exists or not. Checks user email exists, and if in case it exists, then we are going to do further, we will take the further action. Otherwise we will send the user to 404 page. We can send the user, okay, because that email does not exist at all. So we can send the user to 404 email. It means that something goes wrong, okay. Because see, email is not valid, so maybe it because of spam or something else. So we will not going to open any page for that, okay. So if the user email exists, it means that is the actual user who has already trying to register his email account and able to verify his email, okay. So in this case, yeah, one more check we are going to add here, that user status is already activated or not. And if it is already activated, then we will tell the user your email account is already activated, okay. So that status is really important. So we are going to check now, user email is already activated or not. So in case of activated, yeah, so we are going to, first of all, we are going to add this check, okay. This one we are going to check if the status is 1, okay. So first of all, I'm going to check the status here, user status, or we can get the details also, the complete details also we can get, okay. So user, here we can do like this, user where email $email, and here we are going to check first, okay. So here, if $user detail status equal to 1, okay. So in this case, it means that the account is already activated. So in this case, we are going to show the message to the user your email account is already activated. You can, this is not required, okay. Or you can like this, please log in, okay. So this is the message that we can send a session, put error as a error message, error underscore message, $message, and after that we will return the user, redirect the user to the login register page, okay. And here we will also add this one, forget, okay. Here in the beginning, both check, we are going to do like this, okay. So now we can check here, okay. So if it is in 1, then it's like this, and else, okay, then we are going to activate, okay. Now see, now we are going to update the status to 1, update user status to 1 to activate user account, okay. So for this, we can simply where email is $email, and we will update status to 1, like this, okay. And now another thing, we will also send the welcome message to the user, welcome email to the user. Like we have disabled this one, we will send the register SMS, we will send the register email, we will send we will update the user card with user ID. Okay, so all the things we can do now. We can simply copy all this and we'll paste up there. Okay, this one we have already done. See, update user card with user ID. Okay, so this one we can do user ID, okay, so that we can do, but before doing this thing, we can do the auth attempt as well. So we can copy this complete code here, in fact. Okay, so we can copy this one complete, or we can do another one as well. We can write our own code as well. Okay, so here password is also there, but here password is not there, here only email is there, so we can log in with email as well. Okay, okay, we can do one thing here, we can remove this one we will do at the time of login only. Okay, at the time of register, we will just send the register SMS and we will send the register email. Okay, this I am going to disable because this one, the same SMS, it's not working because I don't have the that SMS credits. Okay, but we can send the SMS from here, and we will send the welcome email to the user as well, register email or welcome email. Okay, so we have this email: welcome to e-commerce website, your account details are as below. We can make changes in this account as well, or we can create the new email as well. Okay, so it's our choice. Name, mobile. Okay, so I'm going to do new email instead of this one. I can also do the new email and uh, register SMS. We can also send here, but we will use this one, user details. Here user details, here instead of this one, user details mobile. Okay, and also we need to use here. Okay, and email. Okay, so here email is already we are having, so this one is not required, and this one we will use the user details. Okay, like this. Okay, so dollar email, here also this one is not required, we are directly using user details, that is fine. And now see, now we can check this one is working or not. Okay, so after this one, we can redirect the user to login register page with success message. I think it is better you can log in now. Okay, so in both cases we can use this one. Okay, so this one message is like this, and after that we're going to use this session. Okay, put, okay, so here success message, go to message, and here we are going to use the return redirect login register. Okay, login register like this. Okay, so now we can try, and okay, so from here we can try to confirm the account, and we'll see what message comes up here. Okay, so your email account is activated, you can log in now. So this is the message that we want, and we can check now that see the welcome to e-commerce account. Now the email is coming, welcome to e-commerce website, welcome to e-commerce website, your account details are as below. Okay, so we can also update this one, like welcome to e-commerce website, your account is activated, and details are as below. Okay, so we can update with this one. So all the information is coming, password will be not shown here. Okay, rest of the information is coming, and this email will only come if the user will activate his account, otherwise this will not come. Otherwise that earlier email will come for activating the account. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. So now see, if the user tries to activate again, then see what will happen. Then see here, if the user will try to activate his account again, then the correct message is coming here, correct error message is coming, your email account is already activated, you can log in. Okay, so so if we will try to log in now, I'm going to try to log in with this account. Okay, so I'm going to try the account that we have. See, its status is 1, so that is already activated now. Okay, so I can now try with this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here you can see that I able to log in. Okay, so this part we will do, we will try to do in after few videos, so then it will not come when the user able to log in. Okay, so you can see that we able to confirm the user account before the user able to log in, otherwise user can't able to log in. Okay, so in next video we will do the forgot password as well, and after that we will work back on to cart page with the coupon functionality and other things as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, then that's all for now. If you have any queries, you can surely contact me, and do become the premium member if you want to get the complete code up till now. Okay, already I have added the first 100 videos code, and you will get other benefits as well. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.